Welcome back. Attorney General Rob Bonta was in San Diego today talking about gun violence, and he had a message for the rest of the state.
Yeah, that's right, Chris. Political reporter Morgan Reiner joins us now with why he said the rest of the state needs to learn from America's finest city.
Red flag laws. That's what allows a court to temporarily take away a person's gun if they are deemed to be dangerous. And San Diegans are taking advantage of this.
I've traveled to San Diego today to highlight the good work that is happening in this city that is helping us turn the tide.
Attorney General Rob Bonta is praising San Diego's use of a red flag law called a gun violence restraining order.
32% of all gun restraining orders were issued right here, despite San Diego County being just around 8% of California's total population.
He said San Diego has a team dedicated to helping community members with filing a GVRO.
They can be confusing, but law enforcement and others can help demystify the tool so that it's being utilized the way it was designed and intended to save lives throughout the state.
So who exactly can qualify for filing a restraining order to remove a firearm? A close family member, a roommate, employee or coworker, teacher, or law enforcement officer?
You are less likely to get shot and killed in California than in Texas, than in Florida.
Publisher of a Second Amendment news site, Craig DeLuz, takes issue with Bonta's message today.
What they don't tell you is once someone's firearms and their rights have been taken, how often when they go to court was it deemed that they shouldn't have lost them in the first place? In other words, how often are those rights then given back because they never should have been taken? It's one thing they won't tell you because the numbers aren't going to come out in their favor. This is a process that is a civil process, not a criminal process. So you are not afforded innocent until proven guilty. You're also not given an attorney to help guide you through this process.
Bonta said he has $5 million more to give out in grants to local law enforcement agencies to help them with programs to seize weapons from prohibited people. He said it's time to apply. The application closes in just a few days, September 2nd.
And Morgan, do we know how many gun restraining orders have been filed in San Diego?
In San Diego, in just the last 5 years, there's been 900. Again, that's 32% of the entire state. And Chris, I do want to add that I reached out to the Sacramento Sheriff's Office to see if I can get numbers from them, but I have not heard back on that just quite yet.
Yeah, Morgan, thank you. And, really another instance where California can set the standard for the rest of the country. We're going to see where this goes. Thanks, Morgan.